So, would you like to talk about the subject, but with the emphasis being on perhaps freedom of speech under Narendra Modi ji's and your experience of encountering obstacles to it?
Okay. So I have been lucky to meet Mr. Modi personally many times before 2014, especially. So I had, even after meeting him and talking to people who have been close to him, we have to understand few things about him. People refer to him like a Gujarati mindset, like a businessman and things like that. But you have to understand that he has been a pracharak. RSS pracharaks are like not get swayed by a lot of emotional things. They have obviously separated from their family, so those things are connection. They are focused on the job. This is how Mr. Modi ji is very focused on his job, and it's very. I mean, it's pay because I'm his fan. There are lakhs of fans, his fans. We get very much disturbed by the media narrative created around him, against him, ever since 2002. But we have to understand that that guy is pained by those allegations, but it doesn't sway him, or he doesn't get disturbed by those allegations at all. He's focused on his work. Coming to the narrative which is being created against him, you have to there are many people who follow him and he follows them back. And I've heard a lot of stories, and I have personally experienced myself that if I have to communicate few things to him, we just DM him. For example, I remember there was a temple being made in Gujarat on his name. I DM'd him saying that, sir, see, this temple is being made and it is causing a lot of media negative things about me. I don't know whether it was because of my tweet or my DM to him, but the next day the temple was demolished. So it is, and many people have given him ideas about his speech. You are going to this particular place. Why don't you speak on this topic? This is a very emotional topic. Many people communicate with him through his website called narendramodi.in and seek for the appointment. When he was CM, and I'm told and I know that when he was CM, anybody who used to ask for his appointment, he used to personally go through all the appointment lists, that whether I should give this man appointment or not. And he used to meet a lot of people I know who had brilliant ideas to share with him. And he was actually taking a lot of ideas. That's why he made that Gujarat model. Gujarat model, he acknowledges, and we should also know that he has acknowledged many places that it is not something which is out of his own idea. It was actually creation of a lot of good ideas around the country, and he adopted and implemented those ideas.
Namaste. We hope you enjoyed this Chitti Media content. Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.